Alright, here's an update on the old 69 Chevy. Just got new hose for the 69. I just got home. Go out here in the building. There it is. Let's see, is that the key? Dodge. Yeah, that one's the key. Yeah. Come on. Here it is. Set that down there. Here's my keys. Here's what I've done. Does that turn on? Here's the old power steering line. Why the hell ain't the light cutting on? There it went. There's the I done replaced that one. Here's the old power steering line. It blew out right there. Must have been where it dry rotted or something, as it wasn't rubbing. I don't know, but it blew power steering fluid all over everything. There's the other one line I replaced too, the return. I went in and replaced it while I was at it. But here's my new hose. I'm fixing to put it on and get it out of the bag. Here it is. This should unwrap. What the hell that is? Plug for some hell, I don't know. You gotta have it. Ain't nothing important. Come on. Why they gotta zip tie every damn thing? Then they twist the damn thing to a damn mess. There's the new power steering line. Fix to get it put on right here in just a minute. Let's see how good it matches up to the old one. Besides being, you know, foreign, hose links look to be about the same. So yeah, form the same right there, and form the same right there, just about. Pretty close. I think I'll be good. So I'm gonna get this on here, and I'll show you here all in a minute.